Dear students and my dear parents, I welcome you all in our Jolly Phonic sessions. Now, today we are going to I am going to teach you the sound of letter U and V. Till the previous period, we have seen all the sounds from letter A to letter T. Today I will teach you the sound of letter U and V. We'll see first of all how to write this. There is mama letter V and baby letter baby letter U. Mama letter U and baby letter U. Okay? But can you tell me, students, what is the sound of letter U? Sound of letter U is A. And I have one rhyme for the letter U. Okay? Let's first of all listen carefully and then try to sing with me. Okay, my dear children? Shall we start? Now see, for this letter U, you have to do the action like you are opening the umbrella. Okay? Like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? Sing the rhyme. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Children, when it starts rain, what we use? We use umbrellas, we use raincoats. And how to start umbrella? How we open umbrella? Like 1, 2, 1, 2 in this manner. So this is the action of letter U, and the sound of letter U is A. Okay? We'll see some words starting with letter U. It's umbrella. What? Starting with letter U, but it's A. Umbrella. A. Umbrella. Next, umbro. Umbro is the name of a bird, one of the bird. There is a umbro. Umbro. Umbrella. A. So the sound of letter U is A. Okay, my dear children. Now let's see our next sound. Which is our next sound? Our next letter is V. Okay. There is a letter V. There is a mama letter V and baby letter V. Mama letter V and baby letter V. And the sound of letter V is V. Children, when we pronounce this sound here within our teeth and within our lips, there is a little vibration comes when we spoke this sound. Okay? Let's repeat with me. Okay? So there is a small rhyme for this letter. Let's repeat. Let's sing with me. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. So the sound of letter V is okay. So let's see some sounds, some words. There is a van. It's van. Van. Then vehicle. 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 There is a voice. Word. Voice. Voice. And next is vocal. 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 So the sound of letter U is A. And the sound of letter V is Okay, my dear children? I hope so you understand this all. Okay? And if you have any of the query, you can ask me in the comment section. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. We will meet you in our next Jolly Phonic sessions. Till then, bye-bye.